See that? Hey, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous here, out here, just driving along, or riding along, sorry. Just started noticing some pulsating in the brakes. I don't know what's wrong with the bike. I'm close to 2,000 miles. I'm at about 1,800 miles, and I'm starting to notice this pulsating of the front brakes, and it's only around at low speed. So I'm not sure if you guys out there are having the same issues as I am, or if this is something normal. I've been looking into the forums and trying to see what's going on, and I guess it's just normal. A lot of people have taken their Harleys into the dealership only to be told, you know what, the rotors are in spec with Harley-Davidson, so there's nothing really they can do, I guess. So I'm not sure if this is something that I should probably bring up to my dealership. I don't know. I mean, I was just over there for the 1K service. I guess the mechanic probably didn't notice it at the time. I mean, I certainly didn't notice anything wrong with the bike at the 1K service, but let's just see if I could get some footage of the shaking or of the pulsating. It's a little annoying. From what I read on the forums, it's not a big safety issue or anything like that. It's just a nuisance to be dealing with shaky bars. I am no way in pushing this bike to its limit or trying to see what it's capable of. You know, it's just riding it, or I mean, I don't ride it that hard. And I'm definitely not slamming on the brakes, overheating the rotors, or anything like that. I mean, I'm not doing nothing that drastic to the bike. I'm just kind of I'm just a cruiser, day and maybe sometimes night, just kind of riding, enjoying the ride. I'm nowhere performing the bike to its capabilities or anything like that, or pushing it beyond its capabilities. I mean, I've installed the risers and I've installed the kit, and it'd be one thing if it was right after the installation of the risers and the cable kit, but I mean, now it's been about a little bit over 1,000 miles since I've installed the risers, and no issue at all. This just started, like I said, maybe yesterday, and I started noticing it more today, but I'm not sure, you know. I just kind of wondering what's going on. I'll probably call the dealership if it gets worse. I mean, I'm still under the warranty, the factory warranty, but from what I read online, a couple people were actually charged maybe $50-$60 just to get their brakes cleaned. So I don't know, maybe I could probably spray some brake cleaner in there, see if that helps it. But the rotors are brand new. They only have 1,700 miles on it, and like I mentioned, I'm not even pushing it beyond its capabilities in no way, shape, or form. But it just seems to be at about 20% of the brake on the lever over here. So it's only about 20% of it being squeezed, and then that's when I get it. So it's nothing like when I'm fully pushing or pulling on the brake. It's not, or squeezing the brake line or squeezing the brake lever. It's nothing of that sort. It's just when I'm just barely kind of pulling on the brake. I was trying my rear brake. There's no issue in my rear brake at all. It's just my front brakes. So I'm not feeling anything on the rear brake, not even at low speeds, or even at 10-20% on the brake pedal. No issue there. It's only on my brake lever when I'm about low speeds, or just when I'm about to make a complete stop. There it is. So I don't know, maybe it's just me. I know my other bikes, they haven't done this at all. You see that? Huh. 10-20%, maybe this is normal for ABS. This is my first ABS motorcycle. From what I read, I mean, usually it's the Rotors, but I mean, this bike's only got 1,700 miles, and like I mentioned, I'm not pushing this bike beyond its capabilities in no way, form, or shape or form. See, there it is again. Alright, so yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'm not sure if this is normal, or if you guys had you guys done or felt something like this. Let me know in the comments. Definitely curious about this pulsating of the brakes. I'll probably call a dealership and schedule an appointment or something if this keeps on getting any worse. So far, 2020 Lowrider S, haven't had an issue with the bike since purchase, and I don't know if this is the first problem or the first issue. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, thanks for helping out. You guys stay out there and ride safe and be careful. All right, later.